Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this tool. It's called Figuro and it's a new tool, I guess. I don't know. So let me make a new scene, and I have a new scene here. So it doesn't let me sketch, I think. Edges. No, it doesn't let me sketch. So now I'm going to try make something with this. I don't know. Many of the things I've done is using a sketch. How am I supposed to size this? I think this one. I don't know what that did. I just brought it up. This won't go away. How am I supposed to? Let me try a scale. Let's try that. And where's it gone? Didn't I just have it? Oh, come on. I'll try it again. So I'm going to try that. I mean, you're going to scale that easily. So let's try that. And no, I don't want it symmetrical. I just want it one shape. Can you change that? Is there anything to change it? Oh, come on. I'm getting very, very annoyed by this tool. So it only does a symmetrical. That's something to note. That's one on my bad list. And okay, let's make a severe. Okay. Well, yeah, I don't like that. I don't like the animation for some reason. And I've just made it too big. That was my fault, not the tools. Oh my god, I can't zoom. What is the point of this tool? What is this supposed to achieve? Making people annoyed? Probably. Okay, there. I made a sphere. Let's rotate a sphere. Oh no, you can't. It just stays. What? I don't know what I did, but that was okay. So, if I can zoom in. Oh! For one time. Just 1 second. Okay. This tool doesn't work properly, does it? This is so old. At least I can have a wireframe, can't I? I think there's a wireframe here. I'm gonna try point light and put there, point light. So I don't know what that did. I can't zoom. I'm gonna just make a new tab. And what am I supposed to do with that knowledge? I'm not having anything. Yes. Make a new one. So I can see the use of the software to prank people, but I can't see anything else in the software. I can. Then I just wanted you to click a rectangle. And isn't that what you were doing before? Do I have to click a cube or something? Oh, this laptop has destroyed my computer. The software thing. Yeah, it's not working. Let's make a new one. I'm done with this. Where's the cube? Where's the cube? Question. I can't see the cube. Yeah, this tool's really bad. Oh, I can zoom out, but I can't zoom in. This tool is not very well thought out at all. So I'm going to try and just make another one. So, oh, you can't do that. I'm going to have to make another scene. Oh, again. I have to reload the software. So just want to pause, please. Yeah, so I'm back, and I think I've got this tool working. Yes, finally. Now that does look like a very nice cube. Where did I go? I went to the underrealm. Now if I can make something out of this. Very bad. Oh, come on. Can I draw on top of this cube? Yes, I can. Now I'm going to just make something, I guess. So let's go with the what's a polyline? What is this supposed to do? Create an absolutely horrendous shape, probably. Where's the delete button? Where's the delete button? Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna put a sphere for a cube. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and make this. I'm just gonna try and show that I can make something out of the software. And what did I create? Oh no. Oh no, not again. Oh, come on. So you can, well, so this grid is basically here for nothing because you can very easily draw under it. Well, no. So how did this happen? Let's go to the other side and draw something here. Okay, I think I'll just try do a building. Is there any cutout tool? Is there any cut tool or something? No, I bet there's not. Oh, come on. I just want to draw on this thing. How hard could it be to design something on this tool? Oh, come on. I'm trying to design something simple. Let's do a small building, not a big one. Clearly it doesn't work with a big one. So, if I tap on the cube, scale. So this tool is a 1990s tool, I can tell you that. Well, it's not a 1990s tool. It works like a 1990s tool. Doesn't work. I don't care. I'm going to draw something with this. I'm going to try. I'll make this as cute and weird as possible. Probably. Oh my god. Why? Just why? Oh, that looks like an abomination. Wait, I think I can make something out of this. Yeah, I think I can make something out of this. But I think that was very well of an abomination. Oh, come on. You were doing something a minute ago and then you just let it go. Oh. Oh, come on. I don't want to do that. Oh my. I need emphasizing on this tool. Whoever made this tool, please fix it quick. I can't do anything on this. So yeah, this is the downsides of the whole tool. So I'm going to create a new one because I can't really do anything on this. So let's create a cube with another cube and another cube. I'm going to try to create a dog with a very blocky dog and a very out-of-proportionate dog. Come on, do it. Do the thing you were just doing the last minute. Oh, yeah, that was my fault. There. That's the most weirdest dog I've ever seen. But look at that. Now it looks like a dog with a broken neck. I'm happy with that. Now, if you're a designer, like an art designer or something, how are you going to design? So I'm going to have to click on this and scale it. I'd rather just use Fusion 360 as a beginner than this tool. Well, I'd rather use CAD. It's probably why you've never heard of it. Oh, come on, I was getting to the good stuff when I designed the dog's legs. Maybe I can design a dog bike. I'm constantly improvising. That just shows how bad the tool is. And go. No. Oh, actually, that looks like a duck now. Yeah. I think this tool, I had enough of this tool. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share. Why do I always get that wrong? Bye.